Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to remove or disable restricted mode on your TikTok. Now this is going to be a step-by-step guide. Just a disclaimer, I know that I'm using an iPhone or iOS device as of now. So if you're using an Android device or you have a Samsung device on your end, it's perfectly the same process. Step 1, go to your settings and make sure we have the latest version of iOS, or in your case, if you have the latest version of your software for your Android devices. So for iOS, go to General and go for Software Update. Right now, I'm running 18.5, which is the latest version available as of now. And I think for Android, that would be on Settings, and then the latest version should be on the top, meaning you have a pending update. Next up, I want you to go to the App Store and basically make sure our TikTok also is the latest version available, or basically it's up to date. Now, once we open TikTok right here, I want you to go to your settings by going on your profile, 3 lines right there, settings and privacy. Look for the one that says content preferences, just to scroll a little bit down. This one right here, perfect. And you can see already that there is a restricted mode right here. Mine is currently off, so basically just turn it on or off if you want. That's depending on your choices. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.